In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use graphics group in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I'm going to choose this graphics. I don't want this role function. I just disable that and I'm going to place the text here. And behind this text, I'm going to add one graphics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one rectangle and I'm going to change the color of this rectangle. I want to change that, from this to dark brown. Now I choose this graphics and I'm going to choose this arrange and I choose send backward. So you got the text in front. Now I want to choose both things, that text as well as the graphics. So I was choose in this essential graphics. You can able to create a new group to have all those graphics inside. So I just create a new group with the help of this option. You can see I got the group name, which is group 1. I double click that group and I can able to see I right click there and I can able to rename that here. So I'm going to rename that, which is title. So now I can just drag and drop those elements inside this group. So I was added the text as well as the shape. And I can able to set that visibly into none if you want. Now I can select that particular graphics and I can able to move that graphics completely. So you don't want to select the individual objects and you want to select those things. You can select all those things with the group itself. And if you want to scale all those objects, you don't need to select each and every individual. You can select the group and here itself you can able to do the movement as well as the scaling function. You can see that. So this is one of the important option what we need in Adobe Premiere Pro, because if you want to transform multiple elements, you have to select all those things. Sometimes you have to select each and every the track and you have to adjust all those graphics. But here I have the group option, so I can able to group the similar kind of elements and I can able to scale with the help of these options. I can also rotate that with the help of this option. You can see that. So this is how we are using this grouping option in essential graphics. You can keep any number of effects, the objects here. You can have the text, the shape, whether it is rectangle or ellipse. You can keep all those the graphics using Adobe Premiere Pro to group in this essential graphics panel.